Hello everybody, and today I will show you how to fix this Brother MFC-J475DW printer printing no image on the paper. Let's get started. So first step diagnosis is to print out a test print. Press start. That's now printing. As you can see, there's supposed to be some colors on here. Black on the left, yellow, and pink, but there's none, so that's the problem it has currently. And how do you clean it? Take a piece of paper, divide it by 3, and take the real Windex and just spray on this. And I'm going to open this cover up and put in here. Alright. It's going to print it one more time. And it probably will get stuck, so it's to loosen the head so the head isn't locking on the right side. That's what I'm trying to do. There we go. The head is now unstuck, as you can see, and that's giving me an error of unable to print because it has like a stuck paper in here. Alright, so as you can see, the head is not moving freely. That's what we want. Actually yank the paper out right here, and then I'm going to take another piece of paper and douse it with Windex. So just spray that. I have to lay it in here, and now I'm going to move it forward and backward like this. I'm going to get stuck, and that's okay. We're trying to clean the print head with Windex so it doesn't get stuck. As you can see, the print head is pretty dirty. Look at that. That's why the printout was not able to be completed. I'm going to clean it one more time. Alright, placing it in. And just move the head. It doesn't try to crack the paper with it too. So clean it with Windex several times. 4 to 5 times is fine. Just drag it like that. There we go. And as you see, there's a little bit, but still. Alright, and we have completed that. Now let's close up. Have to return this to the position. Let's close this. Recalibrating. Now let's print it out one more time. And look at that. It's improved. Last time we don't see any of these pre-color. Now we see some colors and all the blocks. It's not supposed to have like these white blocks in between here, so it still has error. So we're going to press is quality okay. I have to press 2 for no. Black color on the printer is not okay. Color is also not okay. Start cleaning. Press 1 for yes. And we'll be cleaning. So you also need to do this cleaning 5 to 6 times. It will use a lot of ink. And now we lose color, so maybe redoing it. And look at that, as you can see, there is no more pink. I don't know why, but the yellow and the blue one shows up white clearly. And the logo and the text is showing up as well. Now to throw this paper away, can't need anymore. The color is definitely not okay, so another cleaning. And look at that, all the 4 blocks is mostly okay, with the exception to the black cartridge because it still has many missing blocks. The yellow and the blue is not working. It still need a little bit of adjusting, so I'm going to start cleaning one more time. Alright. Alright, the black ink color looks really sharp. The 4 blocks has no missing small blocks. 4 colors okay. And the Nobel logo is working just fine, look at that. And we are finished. I'm going to press yes. And now let's print the test picture to prove to you that this thing is now working fine. Now I'm going to choose this picture which is more colorful. I'm going to print that, plain paper, and print. And as you can see, the colors are not half bad. Look at that, it's working fine, full colors and everything. And that's it. Thanks for watching.